Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes fix Microsoft Office activation problem 657rx and 4vt9f. First method is click Start, Settings, click Accounts. Click Access Work or School, disconnect if any school or work account. Second method is right-click Start button, click Run, copy folder path from description and paste it. Delete all files inside this folder. After deleting files, restart the system. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.